Now I calculate monthly value of payment to repay a car loan to bank. Suppose I borrow $20,000 to bank over 8 years at 7% annual interest rate. So how much I will pay to bank in each month? Active cell reference G5 type 8. Because I will fully repay loan amount in the 8 years. Press enter key. As the loan payments are paid to bank in monthly installments, so possible payments in 1 year are 12. Because 12 months are in 1 year. Active cell reference H5 type 12. Press enter key. I will repay loan amount to bank at 7% annual interest rate. Active cell reference F5 type 7. Press enter key. Active cell reference E5 type future values 0. Press enter key. As the loan amount is borrowed by to bank $20,000, type present value of the loan amount $20,000 in cell reference D5. Press enter key. This amount is positive because it is coming from bank to the individual. Active cell reference C5. Total number of loan payments are calculated by multiplying the value of years to the value of deposit per year. Enter equal sign. Click cell reference G5. Enter multiplication operator. Click cell reference H5. Press enter key. So I will pay total payments in the 8 years 96. To calculate interest rate per month value, divide the value of annual interest rate to the value of deposits per year. Active cell reference B5. Enter equal sign. Click cell reference F5. Enter division operator. Click cell reference H5. Press enter key. So I will repay loan amount to bank at 0.58% interest rate per month. To calculate monthly value of loan amount, active cell reference I5. Press delete key. Click financial arrow button. Scroll down. Click PMT function. In a red box, select this cell reference. Press tab key. In NPER box, select this cell reference. Press tab key. In PV box, select this cell reference. Press tab key. In FV box, select this cell reference. Click OK. Function returns negative $273 in this cell. So I will pay to bank in each month $273 in the 8 years at 7% annual interest rate. This value is negative because it is going away by me.